Hello everyone, this is Cavell, and today I'll be talking about how to do mental math, how to multiply in your head, right? So this really only works for a single digit multiplied by two digits, but this is what you do, right? So let's just say, so the prerequisite to this is that you know your multiplication tables. That's definitely the most important, right? So definitely try to know up to 12, right? um and know a little bit tricks, a little bit of tricks here and there, right? Knowing that anytime you multiply by something with a zero, you multiply by the digits inside and then add a zero, right? So let me just show you how this works. Okay, so let's just say I have a number between 1 to 10, right? So let's just say I have 8 times 27. Okay, now to do this in our head, right, we use property of um, multiplication called the distribution property. Okay, so essentially what we're doing in our head is we're breaking down 27 into its tens and ones. All right, so 27 broken down to its tens and ones is what? 20 and 7, right? Because 20 plus 7 is 27. The next thing we do is you multiply the 8 by the tens number, so 8 times 20. 8 times 2 is 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 20 is 160. 8 times 7, right? What's 8 times 7? So 8 times 7, right, is 56. And you get, 6, 11, and 1. You get 216. Okay. So that's how we did multiplication in our head here. We break down the two-digit number into its tens and ones, multiplied by the single digit. Remember those two numbers, 160 and 56, and then add them in your head. Okay, so let's put this into use. Okay. So we'll do a few more actually and write it out with the steps, and then from there on we can try using mental math and not having to write it, right? So let's just do 6 times 34, right? You break down, so the first step is you break down the two-digit number, right? 34 turns into 30 plus 4, right? So now if you multiply by 6, right? This is what we're doing in our head. We're using the distribution property, okay? So 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times 30 is going to be 180. 6 times 4 is just 24. Add them up together and you get 204. Okay. So 6 times 34 is 204. Okay. Let's do another one. Let's do 7 times 98. Okay. Break down 98 into 90 plus 8. Right. So 90 plus 8. All right. Multiplied by 7. Distribution property, remember? 7 times 9 is 63, so 7 times 90 is 630. Alright. 7 times 8 is 56, plus 56. And you get 686. Okay, we just did that in our head. Alright. Let's do another one. So now I'm going to stop writing the actual numbers. I'm going to do this in our head. Okay? Let's just say we are doing 8. Let's just do 9. 9 times 45. Okay. No writing now. So we break down, first step is break down 45 into 40 plus 5. 9 times 4 is 36. So 9 times 40 is 360. Remember that number, 360. 9 times 5 is 45, right? So 360 plus 45 is 405. Okay. So 9 times 45 is 405. Okay. Let's do another one. Let's say 3 times 72. Okay. Break down 72 into 70 plus 2. 3 times 7 is 21. 3 times 7 is 210. 3 times 2 is 6. So it's 216. Okay, so 3 times 72 is 216. Alright. Do a few more just to really control this process in our head. Let's just say 9 times let's think I don't know, 19. Right, break down 19 into 10 plus 9. Right, 9 times 10 is 90. Right, 9 times 9 is 81. Right, so 90 plus 81, right, is 171. Okay, so let's do another one. Let's just say we have 4 times 69, right? 4 times 6 is 24, so 4 times 60 is 240. Remember that number, 240, right? 4 times 9 is 36, right? So 240 plus 36, right, is 276. Okay? So 4 times 69 is 276. All right, so let's do one more. All right, let's just say we have 7 times 95. Okay, let me give you a few seconds to think about the process. Okay, good. So it's 7 times 9, right? Because you break down 95 into 90 plus 5. 7 times 9 is 63, right? So that means 7 times 90 is 630. Remember that number, 630. 7 times 5 is 35, right? So 630 plus 35 is 665. Okay, that's it for today. That's how you multiply a single digit by 2-digit in your head, using the distribution property and just helping out with mental math in general, right? All right, see you later. Bye bye.